let's start the journey. Okay, let's see what we've got. We've got our first pull tab. I think I found my first coin. 10 freaking yen. That's my first coin. Another pull tab. Oh my god, that's my first ring. It's definitely not gold, but it seems like gold plated. That's my first ring. Oh my god. I didn't expect to find a ring, even gold plated. Have one more signal. Oh my god. That signal was exciting. That was exciting one. Okay. We've got the second one. We've got third one. Number 19. For fuck's sake. I think I have to run away from this place. It's a very small piece of jewelry. So surprised that I could catch it. I just want to find something more valuable. That's it. I already see it. Pulled up. Not for sale. I find some piece of magnet, I think, or something like that. Interesting. Oh my god, I found my first 100 yen. Amazing. $25, $24. Hell, I found rings by Calvin Klein. Wow, that's actually silver, or maybe gold. I see the stamp. Oh my god, that's my first nice find. Oh my god, that's crazy. That's literally crazy. Wow. I'm digging 1 hour and I found something good. Wow, I'm so freaking surprised. Wow. Whew, that's interesting find. Let's let's see the signal. Around 30. Wow, that's amazing. Wow. What the hell it can be? Okay. Okay. I think it's something look like beer. Beer can. Oh, we found keys. What is that? Oh, that's a little foil. Not so exciting. Somewhere here. What is that? Still there. It's aluminum hook. Interesting. We found old key. Interesting. Maybe something good. 1213. Maybe 100 yen. There is little chance of it. Oh, I've got my second coin, 100 yen. Dog. Pretty solid signal. Some bullshit. Target ID 12. Might be. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. If I'm getting target 12, that means it's 100 yen. There we go. 1 yen. Also not bad. Somewhere here. Okay, I see it. We've got another 100 yen, which is great. We've got exciting signal. Oh, that's pull top and gives also signal 12. I was too much excited. Opa. Another coin. And that's probably 10 yen. My favorite signal. Oh, yeah. 100 yen. Beautiful. That's it for today's finds. I'm excited to share that I found 4,250 yen, which is about $28. And this silver Calvin Klein double ring, which is worth around 3,000 yen or around $20, based on what I found online. As you know, my goal is to pay off all the gear I bought for this metal detecting journey. So far, the total cost is about 150,000 yen, or about $1,000. If you would like to help me reach this goal and support my journey, you can buy me a coffee using the link below. Your support will help me create even better videos for you. And in the next video, I'll show you exactly how I found all of these coins that you see right now, so stay tuned. Thanks one more time for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.